Let's talk about routing. To add routing, it added automatically when you generate project. If you didn't specify some option like no routing, which I do for this project, so to add in project without routing, you need to first create file app routes ts, where you should import routes from Angular router, and export constant to create constant with routes. In routes array we should define objects. Each object has path and component. Path this is additional argument to your string. For example, localhost 4/4, and you receive ng component. If anything will be after IP address, you get that component. If just localhost IP address, you get my component. So let's take a look to app configs, where we should define or provide a router and add it to provide the router providers, to array providers, and we need to import routes which we pass as argument to provide the router. And in app component we should import router outlet, and router outlet we should put into app component HTML. And I also, to make it more visible, to outline this output, I add 2 lines. Next, let's test it. Here it is. As you can see, now is IP, and I add form and different symbols, and we can see that component. If I add just 4, we can see that it changes, and we can see 4 component. If I delete everything, I can see my works. So that's all. I additionally remind you that if you generate project, if you would like to use routing, don't use option no routing. I show you example. Here it is. Okay, no routing, this is option, delete your router. So you need to generate in simple way. That's all.